Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Netflix application on your smartphone. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. Most Android devices in the market already come with the Netflix application pre-installed. But if you don't have the application on your smartphone, then you can either open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then search for Netflix in the search box. Once you find the application, tap on the Install or Update button. Once the installation or update is completed, you can tap on the Open button to open up the Netflix application. You can now sign up to create a new account or sign in using your existing account to use Netflix application on your smartphone. So there you have it. That is how you can download the Netflix application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.